This is a very low resolution photo, and I was trying to zoom in into this raspberry picture, but it is pretty much impossible because this photo is just a very low resolution. Now, when using AI, I can easily zoom in into that part and it is able to maintain great amount of details, and overall the picture is still recognizable. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to zoom in any part or photo while still able to maintain great details and similarity from the original picture. So here's how you can achieve this result. Okay, first let's go to playground.bfl.ai. You have to navigate to this website, and then you can log in or create a free account using your email or using your Google account. And after that, make sure that you are on the generate menu right here. And then you can start uploading a picture that you want to zoom in into any element. So let's click this button, and I'm going to select this picture where someone is looking up into the mountain. And for the prompt, I'm going to be using the same prompt as this picture. I'm going to just copy this. And by the way, the full prompt will be available in the video description. Now I'm going to paste that into this area, but we have to make some changes on this prompt. So here I said that I want to get a close-up picture of the raspberry, but it is not raspberry. I want to get a closer look of the top of the mountain. So let's change that to the peak of the mountain. And then it is high quality details, professional photography, and you can select the model. Right now there is Flux.1 Kontext Pro and Flux.1 Kontext Max. You can use any of these models, but personally I think the Pro version is good enough most of the times. So let's select the settings, and here you can select the aspect ratio. You can make the picture to be square, horizontal, vertical, and many other aspect ratios, but in this case I'm going to be using 4:3, which is very close to the original aspect ratio. And for the batch size, basically the number of pictures that you want to generate per request. So you can generate up to 4 pictures, but I think 1 or 2 images are good enough. And for the safety tolerance, it's usually not something that you need to change. As long as you're not putting some sensitive pictures, you don't have to change the setting. And for the prompt upsampling, you don't have to do that unless if you are not quite confident with your prompt, then you can enable this. But I think this simple prompt is good enough, so I'm not going to enable this option. And for the output format, I honestly prefer to use JPEG because from my experience using the PNG format, sometimes it's giving you somewhat semi-transparent picture, which is not something that I want to see. So I prefer to use JPEG. And after that, let's send the message and just wait for AI to zoom in into that part, and you can see the result in just a few seconds. Okay, now it is generating the 2 pictures, and I'll show you the result in a moment. Alright, so there are 2 generations. There's this picture and this picture, and overall they do look quite similar, but let me take another look. I just want to make sure that I'm getting the one that is similar to the original picture. Okay, this is what the top of the mountain looked like when I'm zooming in. It's not great, very pixelated. And this is the one that has been zoomed in by AI. So it is definitely much cleaner than the original picture. Although it's kind of giving a smudgy look in my opinion, but overall it's much sharper than this picture. It's almost unrecognizable, but this one looks way better. So you can right click and then download the image to your computer, and it's going to give you, similar look as from the original picture. And I think this is one great use cases of this model in Flux Playground. So that's basically how you can use AI to zoom in any element from a photo in just a few seconds. And if you find this tutorial to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.